Everyone. So in this session again we are going with the narration, and this time we are taking imperative and exclamatory sentences. So almost everything we had done in narration, so maybe this will be the last session on narration, and then we'll move to the literature further. So let's start with this. First of all, we'll start with imperative sentences. You know which are imperative sentences? These are the sentences in which there are expressions of permission. If you are asking permission, if there is any expression of, you may say, request, or any advice is there, etc. Any other expressions are there. So these kinds of sentences we known as imperative sentences. Now for the students, there are some rules regarding the changes of its narration. Let's see. So the first rule will be regarding the reporting verb. The portion of the sentence which is outside the inverted comma, reporting verb. So you will have to change that also. But you will not change it as it is, like he said or he told, but we use in reporting verb words like requested, asked, if someone is asking any permission or something like that, ordered, advised, suggested. These are all words you can use according to the expressions, or proposed, and etc., something like that. So that will be the changes in reporting verb first of all. Now what will be the changes in reported word? Let's see. In reported verb, students, there will be another changes. You will use infinitive verb, non-finite form. It will be 2 plus V1, first form of the verb. So now we'll go with the examples and you will come to know about it. As we are having this sentence, the teacher said to the student, work hard. So what kind of expression you are getting here? Advised. So how will you change it? This is an imperative sentence. How will you change it? The teacher advised the students to work hard. Like we had done earlier, we are not using same connectors, but by using infinite verb, we had connected it. The reporting speech and the reported speech. Apart from that, we had followed the rule regarding the reporting speech also. So we changed set to into advised. And why we had used advise here? Because we had just getting the expression of an advice in the sentence. So likewise another example is there. The father said to the servant, bring me a glass of water. Now what kind of expression you are getting here? Definitely order. So how will you change it? The father ordered the servant to bring him we are changing me here. Me is given here, so that's why we are changing him. A glass of water. So it will be changed like this. Likewise, student, we had an example here. The teacher said to the students, don't shout. So definitely not advised actually. You may use here ordered also, or you may use here asked. So how will you change it? The teacher, either you may use here asked or you may use ordered. ask the students not to shout. 2 plus V1, first form of the verb. Now another example will be here. The mother said to the girl, don't play in the sun. So here definitely an advice is there. So you will use that only. The mother advised the girl not to play in the sun. So like this only, students, you will change your imperative sentences, and yes, you will have to go with the expressions given and you will use the different words accordingly. So students, next we have exclamatory sentences. Which are exclamatory sentences? Which show some sudden happiness. Okay, if you are just getting any kind of expression of sudden happiness, sadness, any surprise is there or any shock is there, so that yes, these kinds of sentences will be known as exclamatory sentences. Now further also there will be some rules regarding the changing of reporting verbs and reporting speech and the reported speech, so that we'll see here. In exclamatory sentences, in reporting speech or verb, you will use some words like exclaimed, wished, prayed, etc. Okay, at the place of said. Okay, you will have to replace said by using such kinds of words. He exclaimed with sorrow, he exclaimed with joy, something like that. And yes, one more thing will be there, that the connector that we will use. Okay, it will be used here in these exclamatory sentences. And yes, one more thing will be there, that exclamatory sentences will change into assertive sentences. Now, assertive sentences, you know that these are the plain sentences, simple statements. So, now how will we change these sentences? See through examples. So, students, the very first example will be, he said, alas, I am ruined. So, how will you change? Alas, you know, this is a sign of sorrow. So, he exclaimed with sorrow that he was ruined. And we had converted into assertive sentences like this. Now we have another example. The captain said, bravo, we have won the match. So this word showing the joyness. So how will you change? The captain exclaimed with joy that they, why we are using they? Because we is there, had won the match. Like this. Similarly, we have another example here. His mother said, may you live long. So what kind of expression you are getting here? A wish. So how will you change this? His mother wished, directly you may write that. We can use such words also, that he might live long. So the rest of the rules will be the same as we had done earlier in the previous narrations also. But yes, few of the changes will be there regarding the imperative and exclamatory sentences. So I am giving you one more example here. we have an example. He said, what a beautiful rose. So how will you change? He exclaimed with joy that it was a beautiful rose. So likewise students, you will have to change the narrations. So almost we had done this. We had done tenses wise also, and now I have told you sentences, how it will affect and how will you change the narration sentences wise. So I am ending this topic here only, and in our next lecture we'll start with the literature now. Thank you.